This 2021 Grand Design Reflection 297 RSTS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 33 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, oven, auxiliary battery, water heater, stovetop burner, DVD player, TV, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, Skylight, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Grand Design Reflection 297 RSTS is 8,096 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.